What's up, everyone? I want to do a detailed drill down with gold and define some trading opportunities for next week. So let's start, with the recent price action. 2 weeks ago, we had a CPI, which helped the rally, but the gold started rallying off of these lows about 2 weeks ago. So this unsustainable rally, as we were saying, will eventually peter out. And right now, we're exhibiting a head and shoulders pattern, which is basically a distribution pattern and a reversal pattern, where people who accumulated all of this were accumulating down here are now closing their positions, taking profit. And we are identifying shorting opportunities based on that. But before we do that, let me actually zoom out a little bit. Let me go to a clean gold chart from there we go. So daily. Oof. Let me remove this. There's some ancient stuff here. All right, so let's take a look at what happened with the weekly and then the daily. All right, so the weekly trend is obviously down, lower lows, lower highs, and we've essentially hit this order block here. This is a weekly order block, and we also hit a daily order block, which if you go here, we hit this perfectly. And now, like I said, on the 4 hour and shorter time frames, we're essentially correcting this whole leg up. And let's do that analysis from scratch, regardless. So as long as we stay above the 200 daily is coming in right here as well, which should provide a nice cap. So as long as we stay below 1810, it's we should be selling, 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 selling. In the distribution, sometimes we have one more pop just to step out newly. All the aggressive shorting people who are trying to short aggressively, they might push the price one more time up in order to stop them out, and that's when the real correction starts. So these are the two. There's scenario A, we just sell off from here. Scenario B, we do one more pop and then sell off. Either way, we'll sell off. Either way, we should be capped by 1810. So if you're shorting as a position, a swing trade, that's the stop loss. It has to be above these highs. So what's happening on the shorter time frame? We can actually we're gonna draw some fibs here, and as you can see, the 38.2 comes in around this previous small trading range and a pause in the price action. So I think that the minimum target will be for this sell-off, retesting these highs here and basically retesting these highs here, and probably most likely will tap this 32 on the top of this candle. So I think 1720 is a realistic target for the shorts. We've been shorting all the week in our Telegram group. If you want signals, by the way, this is a place to be, apexbull.com, or find the links in the description page for our Telegram and Discord. We've been killing it last week. Short, 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 short. I've shorted currencies as well, and equities, indices, S&P and Nasdaq, etc. And anyway, so this is the head and shoulders. This is the neckline. Let's see. We broke the neckline. If you also create a target for the neckline, where's the price? There we go. Price range. So top. There we go. Breakout point. So as you can see, everything, multiple targets are pointing to this 38.2. Another one will be probably this. We make a case for this bear flag. And if we measure the pole from here to here, let's see, and we remove the extension. So this is the top of the thing. So if we measure the pole to the bottom from the breakout point, it also points similar direction. So as you can see, multiple confluences point all to 720, 730 region. So I think that's going to be the target, and that's why we're looking for sells only in gold for now. As long as we don't take out this high of the shoulder here, we're looking for shorts. And given how aggressive the price delivery was up into this resistance, you can see just vertical with only a little bit of a bull flag sideways consolidation, short-lived too. And now we're entering a distribution phase. It can get a lot uglier, it can get a lot choppier too. But like I said, as long as we stay below 1810 and change, we should be in good hands. So short-term opportunities. This is an hourly chart already. What are the short-term opportunities? First of all, we are now in this downtrend channel. Let's see. Once we actually take out the low of this lower channel line and we start accelerating, because trend goes from vertical to 45 degree to reversal pattern, and now we're getting uh, 45 degree, and we're gonna start seeing some nasty spikes once people who are long here will actually s- uh, stop throwing in the towel, because a lot of long-term traders, they're now looking just at this rally. As you can see here, very aggressive rally. You can't even find, except for this blow off top, which retraced afterwards anyway. Very hard to find such rallies that did not retrace. Even this to the bottom, it retraced 50%, right? So here too, very aggressive price delivery up top, and then a retracement. Aggressive delivery, retracement, aggressive delivery, and we're trying for this retracement. So, and again, we stalled at a previous swing high. So mm, we are essentially still in a downtrend on the weekly and the daily. As you can see, high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and now we're just trying to mint a new lower high. So any rally to the channel top should be sold easily. We might not get so lucky, so let's hop on maybe like something 15-minute time frame. This looks like a good order block to sell. So if you see it back around 1757, and or maybe, if give it for good measure, 1760, if you see those prices, sell. So 10 points up, sell. I think we'll next week we'll start seeing acceleration into the 720 region, and possibly beyond, because look how many price inefficiencies and fair value gaps we have to deal with. Usually all these gaps get closed. In any case, as always, you're more than welcome to stop by apexbull.com. The link is in the Telegram group there, also in the description page, and for our Discord, where we actually trade everything live daily. So if you're an independent trader and you want to see shared screens from pros, how they do it, you're more than welcome to stop by our Discord. It's completely free. You see all our screens, 4, 5, 6 traders at a time, and we all trade different things, from cryptocurrencies to indices to FX, and some are swing traders, some are 5-minute traders, day traders, etc. So if you want to observe all of this mayhem in action, more than welcome to stop by. Also, leave a comment and a like. We would appreciate it, as the algos will pick it up more and help this content be seen by a lot more people. In any case, I hope this helps sell rallies in gold. And if you have any questions, stop by and say hi.